Intro. I'm going to give you 10 ways to make money from your bedroom. What if I told you that you could make an extra $500 a month or even more without ever leaving your house? That's not clickbait, that's literally what we're going to do in this video. I've spent the last few weeks researching, testing, and finding the absolute best hustles that anyone can start from their computer in 2025. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a ton of money to start, and you don't need to be some kind of business genius. All you need is a little bit of time and the willingness to actually do the work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get $500 a month or more by following these steps scheme, and it actually works. I'm going to break down 10 different side hustles step by step. For each one, I'll tell you exactly what it is, how much it costs to start. Sometimes it's literally $0. Where to get your first customers, and a secret tip to help you get ahead of everyone else. We're talking about real, tangible money that you can use to pay your bills, save up for something awesome, or just have a little extra breathing room. Chapter 1. Alright, first up is print on demand, or POD. Pod flow, design, website, customer buys, printer ships. This is probably the coolest business model for creative people with no money. You create a design for a t-shirt, a mug, a poster, whatever. You upload that design to a website like Printify or Printful. Then you connect that to an online store like Etsy or Shopify. When someone buys your t-shirt, the pod company prints it. They package it. They ship it to the customer. You never have to buy inventory. You never have to touch the product. You just collect the profit. It's insane. So what does it cost to start? Literally, it can be $0. You can use a free design tool like Canva to create your designs. You can sign up for Printify for free. And you can open an Etsy shop for just a few bucks in listing fees, like 20 cents per design. You're looking at a startup cost of less than a pizza. You only create a product when someone has already paid you for it. This removes risk, perfect for beginners. Here's the secret tip. Don't guess. Search your niche on Etsy and filter to best sellers. Study jokes, fonts, and styles. Then create your unique version. Your goal, $10 profit per shirt times 50 a month is $500, less than 2 a day. Chapter 2. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant, or a VA. This sounds corporate and intimidating, but it's not. A VA handles the tasks owners don't have time for, all remotely. Start small. Offer 1 or 2 things you're good at. Email inbox, calendar, social posts, data entry, research. Find clients where they hang out, Facebook groups. Don't spam, be helpful, show value, post an offer. I'll organize 1 inbox free for a week to build my portfolio. Charge $20, $30 to start. 25-hour x 20 hours. Shocker $500, a little over 6 hours a week. Easy starter. Inbox management, 1 hour a day. Charge $300 month for this service. Chapter 3. Freelance writing and ghostwriting. If you can write a coherent sentence right, you can get paid. Blogs, emails, web copy, video scripts, captions. Ghostwriting often pays more because you give up the credit. Don't say hire me. Find a problem. Pitch solutions with 3 specific article ideas. Beginner rates. 5 to 10 cents per word. 1,000 words nets $100. Write 5 to 10 articles to hit $500 month. Use LinkedIn. Optimize your headline for your niche. Engage with managers and founders. Then message warmly. Relationships. First. Offer service. Second. It converts way better than cold marketplaces. Chapter 4. Turn scrolling into income. Become a social media manager for small businesses. They know they should post, they don't know how or don't have time. Offer a simple package, 3 posts per week on Instagram and Facebook. Respond to comment stocks DMs within 24 hours, a $500 a month. Use Canva and a scheduler, 3 to 4 hours a week once you're in rhythm. Best way to land clients? Go local, in person. Ask for a 15-minute chat next week, run a local giveaway. To enter, follow, like, and tag 3 local friends. Fastest growth for local accounts. 1 good giveaway can justify your monthly fee and lock in the client. Chapter 5. Online tutoring. You know something others want. Guitar, math, languages. Excel. Teach on video calls. Use platforms to find students and handle bookings, chalks payments. Set 20-40 hour to start. Specialized test prep or coding can be 50-100 hour. 1 hour per weekday at 25 hour hits $500 month. Scale with group classes. 5 students at $15 each, notch 75 hour for the same hour. Same effort, more income. That's leverage. It's time efficient, flexible, and one of the fastest paths to $500 a month. Chapter 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, earn a commission when people buy through your link. You can be an affiliate for almost anything. No big audience, no problem. Create niche review content. Example, start Honest Home Coffee Reviews. Post an in-depth coffee maker review, link in description. Buyers search before they spend. Your honest review earns trust. A handful of sales a month becomes real money, and content pays for years. Important, disclose affiliate links. The FTC requires it. Simple, honest, upfront. Chapter 7. Sell digital products. Ebooks, templates, presets, planners. Create once, sell forever. No shipping, no inventory. Delivery can be automated. List on Gumroad, Sellfy, or Etsy. Upload, price it, publish. 10 high-quality templates for $25, 20 sales equals $500. $47 ebook, sell about 11 copies to hit the goal. Promote with a free sample, freebie, email list, pitch premium pack. Value first makes selling easier. Margins are near 100% after fees. Whether 10 or 10,000 sales, the work's already done. Chapter 8. Micro-tasking. Offer small, fast gigs you can finish in hours. Start simple. Background removal, 500-word proofreading, basic social graphic, 30 minutes of data entry. Be specific and results-oriented. Use bullet deliverables and a clear CTA. Build reviews fast, then upsell to higher tiers. 5 $100 premiums, Maugre $500. Chapter 9. Sell stock photos. Businesses license, you earn royalties. Create once, sell forever. 2025. Twist, AI images are allowed on some platforms. Use clear prompts. Submit commercially safe assets. It's a volume and keyword game. Upload 50-100 a month. Aim for 1,000 plus images. Large portfolio fronts hundreds or thousands of sales across months. Chapter 10. Transcription, captioning, and basic audio editing are in constant demand. Use AI to auto-transcribe, then clean and format. Audacity handles noise and cuts. At 125 men, 6 to 7 hours of audio a month, $500. Bundle. Edit audio, plus transcript, plus C3-5. Quote graphics for $100 episode to boost your effective hourly rate. Outro. 10 legit hustles you can start from home to make 500 pluses a month in 2025. Choose one. Start today. Rewatch the chapter you liked, write the steps, and spend 1 hour today getting started.